Hi everyone, myself Jasna Abdullah, Department of Industrial Instrumentation and Automation. Let us discuss about how to use multimeter. Using a multimeter. Let us discuss how to use a multimeter. What is a multimeter? A multimeter is a device used to measure voltage, resistance and current in electronics and electrical equipment. It is also used to test continuity between 2 points to verify if there is any breaks in circuit or line. There are two types of multimeter, analog and digital. Analog has a needle style gauge, digital has a LCD display. There are two styles of multimeter, switched and auto range. Switched one is manually switched between ranges to get most accurate reading. Auto range switches between ranges automatically for best reading. Both of these styles work the same. Meter leads. For a multimeter, there are two meter leads, red meter lead and black meter lead. Red meter lead is connected to voltage resistance or amperage port is considered the positive connection. Then black meter lead is always connected to common port is considered the negative connection. Then there is a probe are to handle used to hold tip on the tested connection. Then next one is tips are at the end of the probe and provides a connection point. Display and dial settings. For a multimeter, there is a digital display which shows measured value. Then meter dial. Meter dial it is used to change functions. Whenever we are not in use, we can change the meter dial position to off position. Then next is panel indicator which shows each function and setting range to turn dial to. Next one is probe connection specific for each function. There are common digital multimeter symbols. They are often found on multimeter and schematics. They are AC voltage, DC voltage, hertz, positive and negative, ohms, diode, audible continuity, ground, capacitor, microfarad, micro, milli, mega, kilo, overload. They are designed to symbolize components and reference values. Measuring voltage. Voltage is the unit of electrical pressure. 1 volt is the potential difference needed to cause 1 ampere of current to pass through 1 ohm of resistance. Voltage is broken up into two sections, AC and DC. Alternate current AC is house voltage 220 volt AC. Direct current DC is a battery voltage 12 volt DC. On switch meters, use one value higher than your expected value. Be very careful to not to touch any other electronic components within the equipment and do not touch the tips to each other while connected to anything else. To measure voltage, connect the leads in parallel between the 2 points where the measurement is to be made. The multimeter provides a parallel pathway, so it needs to be of a high resistance to allow as little current flow through it as possible. This is the circuit diagram for measuring voltage. This is the circuit. There are two resistors R1 and R2. There is an external applied voltage. For the measurement of voltage, we are connecting a voltmeter across R2. For measuring voltage of a battery, we are connecting the positive lead of the multimeter to the positive terminal of the battery and negative terminal of the multimeter, that is from the common we are connecting to the negative terminal of the battery. Hence we will get the reading on the display. Measuring resistance and continuity. Resistance ohm is the opposition to current. Resistance is measured in ohms. Disconnect power source before testing. Remove component or part from system before testing. Measure using lowest value if overload move to next level. Testing for continuity is used to test to verify if a circuit, wire or fuse is complete with no open. Audible continuity allows an alarm if circuit is complete. If there is no audible alarm, resistance of 1 ohm to 0.1 ohm should be present. For measuring resistance, we are connecting an ohm meter across R2. This is the measuring resistance circuit. Next, measuring or testing continuity. For this circuit is representing for testing continuity. That is, two resistors R1 and R2 is connected series across a battery. There is a current flow I. Then we are connecting an ohm meter across the R2 for measuring their continuity. For measuring a resistance, positive lead is connected across the resistor and negative lead is at the other end. For measuring continuity, we are connecting the positive lead to a fuse and negative lead to another end of the fuse. Measuring current. Current, amps, is the flow of electrical charge through a component or conductor. Current is measured in amps or amperes. Disconnect power source before testing. Disconnect completed circuit at end of the circuit. Place multimeter in series with circuit. Reconnect power source and turn on. Select the highest current setting and work your way down. Measuring current. We are connecting the positive lead to one of the end of the lamp and negative lead to the negative point of the battery. Circuit current now has to go through the meter. A meter capable of checking for voltage, current and resistance is called a multimeter. So multitasking is done here. So we call it as a multimeter. When measuring voltage, the multimeter must be connected to 2 points in a circuit in order to obtain a good reading. Be careful not to touch the bare probe tips together while measuring voltage, as this will create a short circuit. Never read resistance or test for continuity with a multimeter on a circuit that is energized. When measuring current, the multimeter must be connected in a circuit so the electrons have to flow through the meter. Multimeters have practically no resistance between their leads. This is intended to allow electrons to flow through the meter with least possible difficulty. If this were not the case, the meter would add extra resistance in the circuit, thereby affecting the current. Thank you.